What's going on, guys? It's Justin Johnson Vlogs. We're gonna be unboxing the Ridgid drill impact combo. Got this yesterday. It was originally $300. Got it on sale for $200. Comes with a bag, impact, and regular drill. It's a pretty sweet bag if you keep up with them. Normally we don't. Got a hammer. Got a handle for your hammer drill. Or your regular drill to turn into a hammer drill. I got a sweet looking charger mounted on the wall. It's pretty badass. That's actually pretty sweet. Looks like a damn car or something. Alright, so here goes the impact. Just some weird safety button right here maybe, or maybe that's just for the light. I don't know, we'll see when we get the battery to it. That's something new. I ain't never seen that before. Got it on the regular drill too. It's a very odd shaped head on it, but just it. Let's see. Comes with clips for the side of the drill so you can put it on your pants or whatever. We don't normally put those on. And then the hardware to mount the handle to the actual drill. And then we've got one battery. It's 18 volt. It's got a battery indicator light on it so you can just check to see how good the battery is. These are pretty nice batteries because they have like this quick release kind of thing right here. Like the Bosch has a button on the front. It's kind of a pain in the tail to unlock off your drill sometimes. So that's pretty sweet that you can just do that. Let's see what that little thing does. Let's see. Yep, so that's for the light. That's pretty awesome. Unlike the Bosch drills, you gotta kind of you have to pull your trigger to get the light to cut on. So sometimes you need a light. There you go. Seems pretty good. We got another battery. So this kit comes with 2 batteries, which is awesome. The batteries are extremely expensive when you're buying them separately. Alright, let's check out this one. So light's down here on the bottom on this one. Definitely seems like it'll be pretty good. It's pretty comfortable. I guess in the next video we'll be testing it out. We really don't have much to try it out on right now, but as soon as we come across something that we're going to be putting a lot of work in, we'll do another review on how well it works and how long the batteries last and all that stuff, so stay tuned. So we're drilling a hole through a brick wall outside and snapped that bitch right on off, so I would not suggest the Ridgid drill. We can look at the brick so you can just be able to go through this no problem. Drilling a hole through the brick. I mean, we've done this many and many of times with the Bosch drills and never have had this problem. I mean, they've burnt out and came grease out of the transmission, but I mean, that was over years of doing the, at least a good year of doing shit like this. And I mean, this is, like the second hole drill or something. So no go on the Ridgid.
Takes a bit out. So, what we think of this drill right here, what we think of this, thumbs down, thumbs down.
Alright, so if you like this video and you want to see more tool reviews on what tools not to fucking buy, give it a like, subscribe, comment, let us know.